Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Hi, welcome back, and this is the OTOP 116 for the week 24th October year 2022, and very good morning to all of you. Once again, we are back here at 9 a.m. on a Monday morning in the Hong Kong time, Singapore time, or Malaysia time. Alright, and this week, as usual, stay on with us for just 10 minutes and we're going to talk and share about one very important market opinion, as well as giving a revision on what we listed on last week. Alright, on a very quick run through on last Friday, alright, the US market closed with the gains of 748 points in the Dow Jones, and that's very impressive. Alright, a big recovery. Well, and despite some corporate earnings were not reflecting too well, but Dow Jones still recovered. S&P was up 86 points, while Nasdaq was up 244 points. Alright, this week is very important to find out if US markets will continue to recover and what happened to the other commodities. Alright, so stay tuned and we shall share with you what we are looking at this week. Alright, on the news here, of course, we are looking at the Chinese CCP, the Central Party, has just completed their 20th committee meeting. Alright, and it doesn't have too much effect on the global economy. Alright, stay on and watch this. Well, nothing much. And of course, on the UK side, the Prime Minister Liz Truss has resigned on last Thursday, and now the government is left leaderless with no leader and looking for a replacement of the new PM candidate. Okay, let's quickly move into our OTOP 116 for the week 24th October year 2022, and very quickly let's take a look at last week what we actually recommended. Alright, last week we were talking about the Sing Thai Baht, which is very strong on the top side. For those people who are planning to go to Thailand for a quick holiday or short-term holiday over the week, I think that's a very good time to exchange Sing dollars for Thai Baht, as Thai Baht is pretty cheap now. So as usual, we look here last week. Well, the Thai Baht in fact was a little bit on the top side, okay, with this chart and weakening against the Sing dollars. Alright, so for those people who are looking to go Thailand, continue to change some Thai Baht and keep before the Thai Baht recovers, probably before the yen in December or over to January. Alright, this week, what are we going to look at? First of all, let's take a look at the dollar index. Okay, we are starting for the OTOP 116. Alright, this is the dollar index. Take a look here. Well, if we look at this dollar index, last week the dollar index USDX actually topped off 114 here, as you can see the dotted line, and the market actually came off with a correction sign, although we do not know how far it can go down. But looking at this, I think on the downside potentially there could be a probability of going back to 110. Alright, top side of course 114. Okay, and you can see the EMA 4 and 20 now converging on the day chart. Well, on the 4-hour chart time scale, we have seen a cross down and very high chance, like what we mentioned earlier, the dollar is going to weaken and soften down for the week 24th October year 2022. So when dollar is going to weaken, what are we looking exactly on the opposite side? Alright, I'm talking about an inverse relationship. Well, 1, 2, 3, and the answer is coming. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Alright, so this week for OTOP 116, we are looking at a currency pair, which is the Euro currency trading against the US dollar, as you see here in the real-time FX chart. Alright, it's very wonderful here. As you can see, the EMA 4 and 20 are crossing. On Friday there is a so-called green color, but actually it's a white candle turning up. Alright, closing price at 0.9860. Alright, so on the 4-hour chart, when we turn into another time scale, well, impressively, the momentum also just begins to turn up here, crossing up. So, well, with the day chart and 4-hour chart, both momentum crossing up, we foresee a very strong buying interest in pushing up the Euro USD prices this week. So, when Euro recovers, that's exactly how it is moving opposite to a softened US dollar index. Okay, that's for the week 11. That's for the week OTOP 116 and for the week 24th October year 2022. Alright, and our preference is to long Euro USD on the currency pair, which is easy and quick. But of course, if you want to look at Euro ETFs, you may do so. Alright, but this could be just a profit over 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, before the 2nd of November, when the US FOMC meeting has got high probability of increasing the Fed funds rate again. So just skip this position for 1 week, and from this chart along the 4 hours time scale, most likely we are looking on the downside. Okay, downside probably 0.9750. Okay, 97.5 is our support, and on the top side, the market has got a lot of potential by going back up to a par value here, 1, or even move back up to 1.0200 on this region, and that coincides with the previous stop. So the room is on the top side here in the Euro USD for this week, 24th October year 2022, and that's for the OTOP 116. DW World Equity Time welcomes you to come back every Monday. Share this video and don't forget to like us. Alright, stay tuned and we shall come back. Bye bye.